Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. In this video, we're going to show you how to make Wings website fit any screen size. Well, this feature is called as responsive website. Responsive sites resize themselves depending on the type of device they are being viewed from. So it fits in every kind of screens, like from mobile phone to different aspect ratios. So Wings sites or Wings websites are becoming more and more responsive as they continue to add more new and exciting full width elements which expand to fill the entire width of the screen. So this Wings website is actually by default has this responsive website feature. So I recommend you to using full width elements on your site. So if you are using elements such as text boxes and images that can be stretched to full width, make sure to keep them within the vertical grid lines so that your elements appear correctly on most screen sizes. So that's it. That's how you basically make your Wings website fit to any screen size. So if you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.